Hello everyone, I am Nitin Bhone working as an assistant professor in AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we will see advanced manufacturing processes. Manufacturing processes. What is manufacturing processes? Manufacturing processes is the process of converting the raw material into finished product using machine. Then we will see the types of manufacturing processes and advanced machining processes. In that we're going to learn about the electrical discharge machining and electrochemical machining. So here types of manufacturing processes. Manufacturing processes are broadly classified into various types. For example, primary shaping processes. In primary shaping processes, the casting is there. Casting is one of the manufacturing processes. Powder metallurgy is there, and processing of plastic. Then second classification of the manufacturing processes is deforming processes. In deforming processes, the material is heated into the various furnaces near about more than 1000 degree Celsius depending upon the type of material, whether it is ferrous or non-ferrous. So for non-ferrous material, the temperature range is in between below the 1000 degrees Celsius, and for ferrous, it is above the 1000 degrees Celsius. So deforming processes are classified into various types. That is, forging is there, rolling is there, sheet metal working, extrusion. Then third type of manufacturing processes, that is a machining processes. So here we are concentrating on the advanced machining processes as earlier we have discussed. Turning is there, milling is there, drilling, shaping. These all are the machining processes. Then fourth classification, that is joining processes. So in joining processes, we'll learn about the welding processes, soldering processes, brazing processes, and riveting. So these all are the classification of the joining processes. So in joining processes, we can join the two similar or dissimilar metal by using this 3 to 4 types of technique. Then fifth classification, that is the surface finishing processes. In surface finishing processes, we'll learn about grinding, plating, grinding, coating, honing, buffing. And last classification of the manufacturing processes are material properties modification processes. So in that, for achieving the certain properties of the material when the products are manufacturing in the industries, so it undergoes the material properties modification, and by properties modification we are using this type of technique, that is hot working, cold working, short pinning, blasting, and heat treatment. So these all are the types of manufacturing processes when we are converting the raw material into the finished product into the industries. What is advanced machining processes? So here we are concentrating on the advanced machining processes. In that will detailed study about the electrical discharge machining and the electrochemical machining. So advanced machining processes are the material removing processes different from conventional machining processes, in which a well-guided wedge-shaped tool remove the material in the form of chip by producing contact traces. There are a varieties of ways in which material is removed using these processes. So here we'll learn about the two advanced machining processes: electrical discharge machining, shortly it is known as EDM, and the electrochemical machining. Now, what is electric discharge machining? Principle of EDM. Electrical discharge machining is a control metal removal process that is used to remove metal by means of electric spark erosion. In this process, an electric spark is used as a cutting tool to cut or erode the workpiece to produce the finished part to the desired shape. Then, what is EDM? So, EDM, electrical discharge machining, is a non-conventional and non-contact machining operation which is used in the industry for high precision product. EDM is known for machining hard and brittle conducive material since it can melt any electrically conducive material regardless of its hardness. Where the electrical discharge machining is used, so EDM process is mostly widely used by the mold making, tool and dye industries, but is becoming a common method of making prototype and production part, especially in the aerospace, automobile sector and electronic